So we've got the monitor on, and now we're going to go over some of the basic vital signs. So first things first, I've got my blood pressure cuff connected via our long cord, like normal. And then in order to actually get the blood pressure, you're going to go over here, this little symbol, looks like an arm. Press that. And you'll see the please wait, reading in progress, counting up. And while that's going on, we've got our SpO2 as well over here. So you can put that on your finger, patient's finger. He says that searching right here. That's going to be your SpO2. So, like with any monitor, it's going to take, the first blood pressure is going to take a little bit more. Once it establishes a baseline, it won't necessarily go up as high on that initial BP when it's redoing the blood pressures. You got an ongoing monitor right here, or ongoing clock from when you turn on the power, as well as your battery life indication right there. And you see our SpO2 has popped up finally. It gives you your trend right here. There's also a line here for your 12 lead. So it's here you're going to see what it gives you for your map. This is in millimeters mercury, and as well in your systolic over your diastolic, as well as your heart rate and your SpO2. Up here it also gives you what category you're looking at. So it's an adult patient, and it also gives you a clock over here and the date and time. In order to do the 4 lead, and this is set to a BP of auto BP of right now of every 5 minutes. So auto and 5 minutes. Your 4 lead, you're going to stick it on like normal. For your limb leads, right now I've obviously disconnected the SpO2 sensor, so it's going to start beeping at you and making noises because it senses that it's disconnected or there's an issue. So as I get these on, we'll end up start seeing the limb leads pop up. If it's starting to do the BP and you don't want it to auto BP, because you're doing something like right now it's disconnected, so it's going to shoot an error because I have the blood pressure actually disconnected at this point. You can just push the blood pressure cuff button again for it just to stop where it's in, stop where it's at right now, or you can. But I'll just go through and show you the actual what it gives you for an error message when it can't sense and can't get pressure. So it senses right now, it says there's an air leak somewhere. Again, gives you an alarm, little yellow indication light. In order to actually change what lead you're looking at here, I'll start going into some of the features. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and etc. You've got your 12 lead button right here. These are all soft keys along the side. End title, CO2, IABP, analyzing, and your print. This is the roll of paper right here. And then an additional menu item button over on the side.